Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. Today I'm going to be naming all of the parts on the front suspension of my 2001 Chevrolet S10. This truck is a two-wheel drive. I wanted a four-wheel drive, but I ended up buying a two-wheel drive. The only difference is I don't have CV axles to show you, and I don't have a torsion bar system to show you. I have a coil spring system. So that's what I will be going over. Why I'm making this video is because when you're first starting out, learning about cars and parts and what's bad and what to replace and what the names of parts are, there's a million different names for all the parts. As from what I've learned, I've been in the parts side, I've been on the mechanic side, and I've been on the service advisor side. So this is kind of a video that I feel like can hopefully help some people. That way, if whether it's like a language barrier or maybe they just don't know what it's called, but they know it's wiggly and it shouldn't be. So that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys. And this is going to be your outer tie rod end. You're going to have one on each side. This little castle nut and a cotter pin are what going to be holds it in. It's going to thread into a sleeve. A sleeve is going to be on each side as well. And then we have an inner tie rod end. Both of these inner tie rod ends go into this giant center link. If you see a grease zerk, that means it's greasable. That means you should put grease in it. Now I'm starting on the driver's side of my truck. When you follow the inner tie rod to the center link, and then that is going to attach to the pitman arm, which attaches to the power steering box. On the passenger side, when you follow the inner tie rod to the center link, and then you follow over here, that's going to be your idler arm, and that's just going to bolt up. Next we have your giant sway bar. That's going to go all the way over with sway bar bushings that can go bad and make noise. And then we have sway bar end links that can go bad as well and cause clunking noises. The coil itself, and then inside the coil itself, we have the front shock absorber. Then we've got the lower control arm that goes to the lower ball joint. Then we have an upper control arm and an upper ball joint. We have one of those on both sides as well. Like I said, if it has a grease fitting, make sure it gets greased. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be doing a diagnosing video on the ball joints next. So I just really appreciate the support. Till next time, guys.